want you back. You was by my side, yeah.
So guys, we have run into an issue. I ordered the wrong bloody front splitter, and the rear spoiler wasn't even a rear spoiler. It was something that goes on the side of the Astra. Don't ask me why, I'm an idiot. Apparently Maxton's website's crap. I mean, obviously it's my fault because I ordered the wrong bits, but their website is just, it's rubbish. Honestly, it is horrendous. So we got my new camera as well, so let me know what you guys think of the quality. But yeah, this video has gone to poo. So I've ordered a new rear spoiler, the proper one, the one that the other stuff said to get, which is the Astra H VXR rear spoiler lip extension. We've ordered that now. That's going to be here tomorrow, which is Tuesday the 24th. No, 23rd of March, sorry, tomorrow. 23rd of March. And then I'm also going to get the front splitter in a couple of weeks. I'm not going to do it anytime soon, probably, because I'm going to end up rinsing the end front bumper off anyway. But yeah, so we've got the rear spoiler coming tomorrow, and then we're going to fit it, do a drive around, you know, the normal stuff when you get new mod to the car. But yeah, I'm sorry guys, this video has gone to crap. But yeah, leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow when we have the spoiler. Hopefully it's the right one, because I will jump off a cliff if it's not the right one. I won't literally, but just, it's annoying. It's very annoying because their website is not clear one bit. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, we have finally got the front splitter. As you can see, this is everything we're going to be needing for today. If you want to cop any of this is my brand. If you want to cop anything, it will help a lot. But yeah, enough of that. We're going to get into the Maxton spoiler lip that I've got. At last I bought the right one. A lot of drama. But yeah, we're going to mark it out with blue tack. I know people probably think that's stupid, but it's going to help with blue tack. And then we've got the spoiler here, and it's also got 3M on the bottom, so you just stick it on. And then we're going to mark it out, speed it up, and then we're going to go bang, and it's going to be done. So yeah, let's do it. So guys, as you can see, we have fitted the front, no, not the front splitter, oh my god. We have fitted the rear spoiler lip onto the Corsa. Look at that. That looks insane. We've also got the Maxton sticker there. But yeah, this looks sick. It's a little bit out here, as you can see, like it's only a tiny bit, because I don't actually do want to fix this car. But yeah, just look at that. It gives it such more aggressive look from the back. Like, look, that just looks like a little beast now. You come up close and boom, you've got that insane spoiler lip. So guys, as you saw, we have finished installing the spoiler lip, the Maxton spoiler lip on my Corsa. It looks insane. I definitely recommend you guys go and cop it. If you guys want, I will do another drive. I haven't done a drive for a long time. But yeah, that spoiler lip was expensive, and I kind of didn't put it on right, and I kind of did. It's kind of like that much out on the edge, but they don't actually do one that fits that car, so I had to get the Astra H1, which you have to get if you guys are getting it for the Corsa D. But yeah, once it's stuck, it's stuck. You ain't getting it off, so make sure you do it properly, because otherwise it ain't coming off. But yeah, so that is this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more mod content, I've got a lot more coming as well. I might have a front splitter coming as well, as you guys know the drama I ordered, but it didn't come the right one. But you get what I mean. But yeah, so I'm going to do a lot more POVs now. You've done quite a lot to the car at the moment, so I'm going to do some more POVs. I've got a better camera now, a G7X, so we're on the roll. We're getting there. We're getting better cameras and better photos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this video. Please comment. Any comment will help. But yeah, also follow me on Instagram, b.man267, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.